in momento nga pagkalungkutan ko, ating kundaramdaman itang ausandang disaster politics. Itang balamo, itang ating backward elements among our local chief executives, not only in I'm not saying keting lugar tamo no ne siguro in many places in the country na they are feeding into the ayuda mentality makanyan itang because during disaster that is where apapaltoda mo kareng memalen sa sakupan da na magmalasakit la uling apapaluwaldore at ang relief goods. You are getting my point. Ini eke sarili mong paglalawi. Metong yakaretang abasa kung mag-resonate keng kana kung utak itang malyaring eke palwal as we speak. Itang detang manungkulan na very myopic inkarelang paglalawe ken bagay-bagay like you said earlier itang share you ketang mindset itang nung ing mindset mo at mo ketang short term na pakit mo yung malasakit mo kareng memalen palwal mo reng ayuda by the way kening sasabihan ko disaster politics sometimes kenila naman manakitan akakuhain po rin ko sabihan manakitan la twofolds. I'm not, ala ko pong paturan kaya kayo. Sasabihan kaya ini because this is happening, probably not here, I hope and pray not here, not in Pampanga, not in the region, or not anywhere else in the Philippines, but we all know it is happening. And we should gain lesson from this. Itang disaster politics sa itang sasabihan kong manakitan lamboto because when they go out, the patronage politics.
Utang alub.
Utang alub, huli nga so, pandalareng memalen karetan dita kadelatan po nga biya sa pamieda. But at the same time, baluta mo na ating manakitan karetang sa saluanda po-procure da na goods. Well, sabi ko po, wala akong paturan. I just hope and pray na it is not happening here and it will not happen anywhere else.
Yang ko kitang amano mo ita. King malwa mo nang ika, ikimeng minusubungin kaya katamong remyali wang leader wala na. Kultura na ita may sabi. King assessment yo po. At kakakyo.
Patronage politics is a political culture. Itang mentras may kakautang kang lub keng manungkulan, mentras akakit mo mong ating kang personal apakinabang kaya, neng kay maging bulag na kampong maklak, karetang aliwa ng gagawan o gagawan, na ita in the long run, yang makapag-address keng kaya katamong problema. Atin naman, detan talagang matena kan mga galing la. They understand how to govern well. And the very basic principle na kakaulan da immediately is to hold hands with the community, with the barangays, the private sector. Kasi no single government or local government unit for that matter will ever succeed in governing if they do not share governance with the governed. I think that is a very important principle in governance, especially local governance. Kasi dakalare ating masabal kareng memalen.
Dakal pong makanyan, ma'am, kaya po penibatang pong industry you have to tell the boss if the baby is ugly. Nung matura yung gagawan mo, kailangan asabi mo kaya ito. So, siguro kaya medyo alida patanggap din ang kakatamong, di takla mo rin makatanggap na makaluklok na sabihan mo wari, mature yung gagawan mo o ating pang-improvement. Kasi kaya ngaliwang culture accepted na itang potang mika kritika dita, they will adjust. Kaya medyo di taklapa mo di ang ating mindset. Once again, going back to that mindset, di taklapa mo rin ang ating mindset na makanta na they will adjust, they will take that criticism and move forward.
Yeah. And King, social listening, you do a lot of social listening because we have our social media platforms and everything. Nano itang common thread, karetang sasabihan da rin memalen, nano yung sasangsing da?
Well, actually, ating son, makakonect tayo kahit ang minuna mong may banggit ngayon na patronage politics, ang puwetang utang alob, ing mumuna da talagang pantanon, which is kay Neban.
Legitimate.
Legitimate talaga.
And karapatan da.
Wah, karapatan
And
da.
katungkulan da rin manungkulan.
Wah.
Don't get us wrong.
Yes.
Katungkulan da rin manungkulan. Ing dinandalang saup deng mituran.
Siyempre, kumbaga, kaya taping Maslow hierarchy of needs, ing mumuna tang kailangan.
Of course naman.
Laman na dyan.
Diyos ko,
Diba?
sabi
So,
dapin, emo naman napapanganing prinsipyo at
Wow.
yung sasabing mga yan. Although ako, kebo rin dalan ka rin.
So, karas na po nitang nitang oras ning kay talaga, ning sakuna.
Delubyo.
Dilubyo, iminunadang peninton, atina pong makanyan, announcement, suspension, announcement,
No ka rin po
state
yung
of-
ayuda.
No ka rin po yung ayuda.
No ka rin kaya pong evacuation center munta.
Deta rin lalawenda. Pero ding kakadwata mo, kaya rakalan mo naman karetang magkomento, sinawa na kami, Kingalbog. And I think that is a very strong statement. Ako, bapot ang mamasa ko rin, itang ating kung nga babasa, itang sasabihan daw, what to do, ding Pilipino, ding Kapampangan for that matter, resilient la. Pero itang resiliency ning kai madadrag ne kitang masyadong positive, mas negative ne kan no. Dening political analyst, dening sociologist sasabihan da let us stop glorifying itang Filipino resiliency quote unquote na. Kasi etala mo sasabihan sanen nala Ali, bala makanita. So, even ding sanen nala, ika kung Felix, muta ka masantol, muta ka makabebe, kanda ba? Adyang sanen nala, tuto, pero burida pa mo rin na manawa yung sitwasyon da. Deta nga kakasabi
Tapos
ta mo.
sasabihan mo.
Siguro ko Justin itang word na sane medyo may naya pa Katas kay bagya. Patana na.
Pata.
Pata.
Mas mabayat yun.
Pata, oo.
Pero daw
Pata
ba?
is being numb.
Wa, kumbaga, emo na rin panandaman
Wow, itang
Nam
bala
na kakita.
yapi na yung biye mo.
Kaburi ko kanina, pero mas malungkot yung pakiramdaman. Ela mo san
Wow.
patalo, makanunos lang.
Masakit siyang masyado, itang patana lang. Patana laking kasakitan. As journalists at as people in media, we are gathering the news, itamo ing magpaabot kay but we do a lot of social listening social listening because we already have social media platforms mag-comment la ka rin kareng live programs tamo atin pa inbox scooping nanining programa ngayon sasapak so burita mo muna as journalist apapabalo tamo kareng memalen ang poparetang at tsukeng katungkulan nung nano itang emiraras karela uling nengkai nung patala rin memalen, atin mo naman kasing manungkulan na maging cynical. At kula naman asisi. Kasi aldoldo gewaning apong gino, bala mo, imbes na impainto ng dakarela itang true leadership mo naman, itang geling ang daking governance, detang mga galeng, I'm sure they're agonizing. They feel sorry also that they are not able to do what they think they should be doing as leaders. Kasi they are also they have to participate in patronage politics because they are afraid that they will lose the next election if they talk about climate justice, climate change, instead of addressing or providing ayuda mo. Ibig sabihin, it takes two to tango Diba? Atin talagang makanyan. I mean, there are trade-offs ausanda. Kasi I've seen a lot of good leaders and I think they exist now in our midst, magmalasakit lang to. But sometimes, atin pinmakanyan, you're torn between doing this and doing that. But I think there should be a good balance. And this is where we enter the scene na we also want to assure our leaders na we also watch what you are doing well. And we appreciate, and there are those around you na probably are very appreciative, pero mo balo.
Atin kumburing sabyan, ko naman kendi depensan ko rin leaders, pero importante pasyag tamo rin, itang mapilan ka rin lang pilubluban. Atin ko nga kakasabi, not a specific person, pero ding daramdaman ko mo naman, in kasing in manungkulan kasi at luyang banwing term na. Patse misip yung long term na alayang kasi gradwa na nung sumambot ko after 3 years o nung ako sinambot ede ibalaos aliwana naman. So imbes na isipan ko na pa nung aning agawa ko within 3 years, that is mami relief bata lang mami makanini. So kay ko matatali ko ketang atlumong banwa termino.
Addressing disasters, climate change and climate justice is devolution of powers. Kasi keng Local Government Code of 1991, makakabit yung devolution of powers.
May invite yung speaker, mismong petitioner naming Mandanas Garcia. Nanula rin makokompromisong serbisyo at itang EPA madedevolve ka rin lang pondo.